To see here, one problem I discuss. This is the circuit diagram. Okay. Here, this is the diode PN. Here another diode is there PN. Okay. Here, look here. The question is A is a positive potential. A is connected to positive terminal of the battery. Automatically B is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Look here. Look here, Nana. Okay, look here. This is the positive terminal of the battery. That is the negative terminal of the battery. Okay. Here, according to question, P is connected to positive. That means this is the forward bias. Okay. Here, P is connected to negative. This is called reverse bias. Okay. That means reverse bias, ideal diode has resistance becomes infinity. So that's why this here not allow the current, because this is the reverse bias. Reverse bias diode not conducting the current. So that's why here this will be removed. This diagram same simply here, look here. This is the A, 4 ohms, 6 ohms, 6 ohms, 8 ohms. Okay, this is the B. Okay, this is the diagram. Okay, look here. A is, according to question, A is positive terminal, B is called negative terminal. Okay, here Nana, look here. Current always flow from plus to minus. In this point, current divide Nana. According to diagram, here look here, current flow, here to here continuously. Current continuously there. These two are in series. These two are in series. These two are in series means in the series combination RS formula is R1 plus R2. 6 plus 6, 12. In this diagram, in this manner, again I draw here Nana. Here this is 4 ohm. This is 6 plus 6, 12 ohm. Here Nana, here this is the diagram Nana. This is 8 ohm. Here this is connected to B. B has a negative terminal, A has connected in positive terminal. Here once again to flow the current plus to minus. Here in this point current divide Nana. Current divide, this combination is parallel combination. That means 4 ohms and 12 ohms are in parallel. In the parallel, RP formula is R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Here, what is the R1 value, Nana? 4. What is the R2 value? 12. R1 4, R2 12. 4 into 12 by 4 plus 12, 16. 48 by 16. We get 3 ohms, Nana. We get 3 ohms. This diagram neatly write as here A Nana is connected in the positive. These two are get 3 ohms, and next Nana here 8 ohms. This is called B Nana is negative. Here current direction epudu plus to minus. Here to see the diagram, current flow continuously there means series combination. According to series, RS equal to R1 plus R2. That means here 3 plus 8 equal to 11 ohms. Okay, 3 plus 8 equal to what? 11 ohms. This is the finally we get effective resistance. Next problem to see here forward voltage in the diode changes by 0.5 volts to 2 volts. Then the forward current changes by 1.5 milliamperes. Find resistance. Actually, voltage is given, current is given, find resistance. Ohm's law nana, V equal to IR. Okay, find resistance R equal to V by I. It write as delta V by delta I. Here look here, delta V means change in voltage. Here 2 volts to 0.5 volts, that means change in voltage is 1.5 volt by change in current is 1.5 milli means 10 power minus 3. It write as 1.5 cancel, 10 power minus 3 above 10 power plus 3, that means 10 power 3 write as 1000 ohm. This is the finally answer. It write as 1000 ohm, write as 1 kilo ohm. Here also, to see the diagram, find the resistance, effective resistance between A and B. But same question, previous question is A taken as a positive potential, B taken as a negative potential. This is reverse now. This is the reverse. Here A is connected to negative potential, reverse now. B is connected to positive potential. Find effective resistance. To look here. Here this diode P is connected to negative, that means reverse bias. Here this diode P is connected to positive, positive means forward bias. Forward bias to allow the current, but reverse bias not allow the current. So this will be removed because here no current flow here, because this diode acts as a reverse bias. Same diagram I drawn here. B, here it is connected to positive. Here 10 ohms according to diagram. Here 6 ohm. Here 8 ohm. Okay. This is here diode cannot be worked, so that's why this is 6 ohm again. This is A nana. According to electricity, current flow always plus to minus. Here nana. Plus starts. Here current is divide. But in this combination is current flow continuously. Here. That means these two are in series. Series means Rs equal to R1 plus R2. Same diagram I write here. 6 ohm. Here A nana, this is connected to here. This is 10 ohm. Okay. Here look here nana. This is B. It is connected to positive. These two are in series. 8 plus 6, 14 ohms. Here again current flow. In this point, current divide means 14 ohm, 10 ohm are in parallel. What is the parallel combination formula? Rp equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Here two resistors are taken. N resistors are taken. 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 and so on. Here, what is the R1 value? 14. What is the R2 value? 10. What is the R1 plus R2? 14 plus 10, 24. Here 2, 5 times, 2, 12 times, 2, 7 times, 2, 6 times. Finally we get 35 by 60. Same diagram I write nana. This is the B nana. B, it is connected to positive. Finally this value, total value we get here 35 by 6 nana. Here this totally. Next it will be attached to here 6 ohm. Here this is the A nana. It is connected to negative. Current direction always plus to minus. Here current flow continuously. This combination is series combination. In the series, what is the RS formula? R1 plus R2. What is the R1 value? 35 by 6 plus R2 value is 6. Here what is the LCM? 6. 6 into 6, 36. 36 plus 35, 71. Okay, it will be solved. Here, this is the Telangana MSET 2017 problem. 2017 2017 problem to check them here. Here also change in current is given. What is the change in current is 1.2 milliampere. Voltage change is also given 0.6. Find the resistance. Voltage is given, current is given. To determine resistance, Ohm's law, V equal to IR. What is the formula for R? V by I. Write as change in voltage by change in current. What is the change in voltage, Nana? 0.6 volt by change in current 1.2 milli means 10 power minus 3 ampere. It neatly write as 600 10 power minus 3 above. Here 1.2. It finally we get 500 ohm. Overall 0.5 kilo ohm. Okay, this is the answer. Next I solved another problem. To see the diagram, diagram is the question. Find the effective resistance between A and B. This is the question. Find effective resistance between A and B. Okay. Here, Nana, A is connected to negative potential according to given question. B is connected to positive potential. Current always flow from plus to minus. That means here current flow, Nana, starts. Okay. In this current to divide here, here, here. Look here, Nana. That means here current is divided, but this is the resisting wire, but this is a conducting wire. This means, Nana, this means there is no connection between these two wires, Nana. According to question, this symbol indicates there is no connection between these two wires. According to topic, Nana, look here, Nana, look here. This is the resistor. This is the conducting wire. Resistance becomes 0. This is also resistor. Here resistance is there. Here no resistance. So that's why this current cannot reach immediately, Nana. It will be reached immediately because this is the conducting wire, Nana. So that's why this current fastly reach this end, Nana. This end. Okay. Here this end, Nana. Look here, Nana. Current reach fastly this end, Nana. Here. In this point, current divide, Nana. Current divide. According to this combination, P is connected. Current flow plus. Here, this is the direction. P is connected to positive. That bias is a forward bias. So that's why. Once again I repeat. Here, this is the resistor. This is the conducting wire. So that's why it is easily to reach fastly. Here current is divided. Current always flow from plus to minus. Here current is divide, Nana. Divide means here, Nana. Here plus, Nana. Here plus. So that's why current flow. That means P is connected to positive. So that's why P is connected to positive. So that's why this acts as a forward bias. Forward bias, in the forward bias to allow the current. That means, look here once again. Here current divide. This current pass here to here and again in this direction because current always flow from plus to minus. All will be here plus 2 minus, here plus 2 minus. Okay. And again these current also moves in this direction. Here one keyword is here resistor, here conducting wire. So immediately to reach the current and moves in this direction. In this case, this diode acts as a forward bias. So that's why it's working. This resistor also working. Here how many resistors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. In this situation, here current divide means these two are parallel. Here two are parallel, current divide. That means in this combination here, this resistor, all resistors are in parallel because all the points current is divided. Parallel means 1 by Rp equal to formula 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4. R1 is R, R2 is R, R3 is R, R4 is R. Here neatly LCM is R. All ones are add 4. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. 1 by Rp. What is the Rp value now? We get R by 4. Here Rp value is R by 4. Okay. This is the answer Nana. Here shortcut method also there Nana. All are equal resistors. Rp direct formula is R by N. Here how many resistors are parallel? Here N means number of resistors. How many resistors? 4. So simply write as R by 4. Okay. This is another diagram I give Nana. Look here. Same diagram. Look here Nana. This is A. This is the resistor. This is the resistor. This is the resistor. This is the diode. PN junction diode. This is the resistor. This is B Nana. Okay. R. Here keyword in the problem Nana. Question is reverse in the previous question. Here B is connected to negative, A is connected to positive. This is the question. According to question, A is connected to positive means current flows plus to minus. Here in this point, current divide Nana. Here in this pattern. Here look here Nana. In this direction current does not flow speed because it is a resistor is there. But here conducting wire is there. So that's why it reached immediately. So that's why here current also divide Nana. But here current flow, here higher potential is there. So that's why N is connected to higher potential. So that's why in this topic, this diode acts as a reverse bias. This diode acts as a reverse bias. So that's why here in the previous case, here this to see here current reach here. This is current divide. Current divide means this is higher. P is connected to positive. But in the topic is here current reaches. The current reaches immediately here because this is the resistor is there. So that's why in this path, which path reach fastly? This path reach fastly. So that's why here higher potential is there. So that's why this is reverse bias. So this diagrammatically here right, here R, here there is no here. This is here. This is the resistance Nana. Here this is the resistance Nana. Here this is the diagram. A is connected positive, B is connected to negative. Again current flow Nana. Current always flow here because this is the diode acts as a reverse bias. No working Nana. Here how many resistors are there Nana? To see according to this topic. This is the current divide. All reaches plus 2 minus. Okay. Here these current divided. These resistors are in parallel. What is the parallel combination formula? 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R. 1 by R. Neatly solve. We get Rp equal to R by 3. What is the shortcut formula? Rp equal to R by N. Here N is number of resistors is 3. So it write as R by 3. Okay. Here look here Nana. Next problem. This is JEE Main 2018 problem Nana. Very easiest. In the silicon diode, reverse current increases by 20 microamperes. Reverse voltage increases from 1 volt to 3 volt. Find what Nana? Resistance. According to Ohm's law, V equal to IR. what is the R value? V by I. That means delta V by delta I. Delta V change in voltage is 1 volt to 3 volt. Difference is 2 volt by change in current directly given 20 micro means 10 power minus 6. 10 power minus 6 above, it will get 2 into 10 power plus 6 by 20. 1 0 1 0 cancel, 2 2 cancel. Finally we get 10 power 5 ohms. It write as 100. 10 power 3 ohms write as kilo ohm. 100 kilo ohm. Okay. Next problem, Nana. Look here, Nana. This is the, you see first clearly diagram. Focus the diagram. Here battery is there. 2 diodes D1, D2. 2 capacitors are there. Actually capacitor is the electricity. Capacitor, what is the use of capacitor? What is the use of water tank? To store the water. What is the use of capacitor? To store the charge at lower potentials. Okay. C equal to formula is Q by V. Q is charge, V is potential. This is the formula for capacitance of the capacitor. C is called capacitance of the capacitor. Here 2 diodes are ideal. Find potential drop across each capacitor. Diodes will be combination check. This is the P, this is the N, P, N. Look here. This negative is connected to the P. That means this is reverse bias. This is what bias? Reverse bias. Here P is connected to positive. P is connected to positive. That means this is forward bias. So this diode not allow the current. So it can be removed. It can be removed. Same diagram I draw again. Here 24 volts. Again, it is the capacitor. Its C value is 4 microfarad. Here, look here. Again, here diode is there. This allow the current. So, this capacitor is connection is here. C2 value is 8 microfarad. And again, 8 microfarad. Again, it will be, look here. Okay. In the diagram. Here in the diagram, this diode acts as a reverse bias. This can be removed. Current flow from plus to minus in this region. This diode conducts the current. Okay. This is the circuit diagram. According to this circuit diagram, current always flow from plus to minus. Current continuously flow. That's meaning is here current continuously flow. This combination is series combination. In the series combination, which will be constant? Current. Current means flow of charge. That means charge is constant. What is the formula for C? C is Q by V. Q constant. It meaning is C inversely proportional to V. Here voltages are calculated. So it's right as V1 by V2 equal to inversely C2 by C1. Okay. What is the C2 value according to diagram? 8. What is the C1 value according to diagram? 4. Here C1 nana. Okay. Mari 8 by 4. 2 is to 1. Okay. This is called V1 by V2. What is the V1 by V2 value? 2 by 1. Here C1 corresponding voltage is V1. Here C2 corresponding voltage is V2. Here look here again V1 V2 2 plus 1 మొత్తం ఎంత 3 part. Total voltage 3 part. Here once again V1 is 2 part, V2 is 1 part. Total parts is 3 parts. 3 parts ki in the given circuit what is the total voltage is given? 24 volts is given. That means 1 part. 3 parts ki 24. 1 part means both side divided by 3. 3 by 3 1. 24 by 3 8. 1 part ki 8. 2 parts means both side multiplied by 2. 2 into 8, 16 volt. That means here 2 parts means 16 volt. Here one part means 8 volts. Once again I repeat now. Total voltage is given 24. 2 plus 1, 3 parts is 24. 1 part is 8. 2 parts is 16. 2 parts is 16. 1 part is 8. That means V1 value is given 16 volt. V2 value is given 8 volts. Next look here. This problem Nana. Another model problem. Another problem. Here also current flowing in the circuit. Diodes are ideal diode. Here first look here. This is P. This is N. This is P. This is N. Look here Nana. Look here. Here N is connected to positive Nana. This bias is said to be a reverse bias. So here not allow the current. Here look here. This is the plus. This is the minus. Here 6 volt is there. Here look here, this diagram Nana. This is the reverse bias, not allow the current because N is connected to positive. Next Nana, this is the diode. This diode allow the current because P is connected to positive. This bias is said to be a forward bias. Here only 150 ohms is there. Here 100 ohms is there. Here look here, this is the diagram. Okay. According to diagram, current flow plus to minus continuously flow. Current continuously flow means this is the series combination. This diagram neatly write as plus minus. Here this is the neatly write as because these two are in series. RS equal to R1 plus R2. That means 250 ohms. This voltage is 6. Here current is I equal to V by R. Here V value 6. Resistance, effective resistance is 250. It will be calculated to get the answer. Okay.